Pranam friends. So today we are going to see about cloud architectural diagrams. If you are a cloud architect, you need to know how to design the cloud first, and the designing of the cloud first starts in the cloud on drawing cloud architectural diagram. So what it is and how it looks. In general, you would have seen all these documents with these type of diagram. This is called a cloud architecture diagram where the architecture you supposed to implement or supposed to improve. To do that, first you need to understand what the architecture is, where is the input, how is the output, how the flow is. This can be understood very easily by creating an architectural diagram. So as a cloud architect, we need to know how to create and draw these valid architectural diagrams. So if you see this diagram, you can see that there are unique icons here. Each icon is totally, you can see this. This is one icon, this is one icon, this one. So these icons are unique to every cloud environment. Yeah, I mean that AWS has their specific services. So they have their analytics service, the icon is going to be different. Similarly, some icons going to be same for like general icons like this external disk storage icon or a data factory icon. These things can be common, but in general, there is 99 percentage. The set of icons for every cloud provider is unique. Today we will take the cloud provider Azure as our example, and I'll explain you how to draw an architectural diagram, how to practice it first. So in general, if we go to the browser, whichever browser is your favorite, and you draw like uh, cloud architecture diagram tools, then you will find a very bunch of tools, some online tools, which gives you top 10 cloud diagram tools like here, if you can see this one. So there are so many like Drawio, Lucid Charts, Cloudcraft, so many things. So as many of them is like you have to pay. You can take the trial period. If you're good in it, you have to pay a monthly subscription and everything. So rather going for that, if you want to do hands-on for free, then you got two options. One is go to the Azure site. You can go to the Azure shell like this. First type Azure Cloud Icons. So yeah, so this is one. You can click here. It will take you to this site, Azure Cloud Icons, where below you can see that they would have given like this, icon terms and condition. You can click agree and you can click download SVG icon set. If you click this, I already downloaded of Azure icons given by the Azure cloud provider itself. But one problem is, first thing, you can use these things in your PPT, Microsoft PowerPoint, and you can use this as pictures and you can practice your architecture diagrams. But one thing is, you in Windows, you can't see a preview of SVG file. Here you see, we are downloading it as a SVG file. Can you see this? So it is not a JPEG, not a PNG. It is a SVG file. So the problem is SVG files normally don't show as thumbnails. So it is very hard for us to take these things and use it in PowerPoint. We need to read those names and identify the icons. For load balancer, where is the load balancer? You need to remember which folder it is going to be. So this is a tough one. Another very easy thing which is free is called drawio. So you go to the address bar again and you type drawio. This is an open source software which is free. You can draw any cloud diagram in it. So you get into this and this opens this website. As you can see, the first, they have given you two options. So in drawio, there are two options. First thing is start. If you click this, then you will this one. This one is like online drawing option. So if you click this, then it will open an online space where you can practice your diagram. As you can see, I have practiced something like this. So like this. So you can do everything. If you don't want, first, if you are going to practice in online, I will say that first you change the appearance to the light, because on saving, sometimes if it is in dark theme, the background will be black, and obviously you can't see, the resulting diagram will look like this, something like this, rather than this. So better, I would say that go for this one when you are beginner. So while in online, change the appearance first and go for it. So this is the online mode. You don't need to install anything. You can directly go. You can try designing whatever you want. So here, if you want Azure icons, you go here, type Azure. Can you see where I'm typing here? Yeah, go ahead, Azure, enter. Now, yeah, at bottom you can see there are so many Azure icons displayed. So put more. So like this. You want more shapes, you can click it, go here, and put Azure and apply. Now you come back, you see here all these Azure, you can see all these Azures with subfolders are added here. So whatever you want, like if you want a compute, then go ahead. Now the computer is here, you put it here, you design it. If you want to link, this is a thing, so you click it, you drag this arrow mark to this one, boom. So like this, you can design, you can export it, you can save it. So in next video, I'll explain. So the first one is this online thing. Second one is, if you come back to the drawio, website. Second one is download. So you click download. So now it will take you to a GitHub page. In the GitHub page, you can see that there is a Windows installer option, right? This one. Yes. So this is a Windows installer option. You click this. So you click this and it will start downloading. Can you see here? It will start downloading the exe. I already downloaded it. So after downloading, you can go back to. So now you go back, you can see where it is downloaded. You can right click that exe file. You can see it is an exe file. So you right click it, run as administrator and put yes. Choose the place where it should install and click install now. I have already installed. You could see that there is a icon here in my 1 minute. I'll show you. So I already installed. So let me open it. Yes, it is open and it's here. Here itself. First, you need to make sure that the theme is set as light. Nothing else. Okay. Now the same things goes for here. Go ahead, type whatever. Now this time let us type AWS. So now you can see that there are AWS icons are shown here. If you want GCP, go ahead and type GCP, enter. Okay, I think GCP is not OCI, is it there? I think we need to add it. I'll show you in next video how to add those things. Now the Azure one, yeah, the Azure is here. So this is how you're going to design your architectural diagram. Understood? So in next video, let us see how to draw a real architectural, replicate a real architectural diagram. and what are the things we need to keep in mind. I will explain it step by step. Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna. Vande Mataram.